So the day has arrived. You've drummed up the courage to have the treatment, and you've gone through the process, and you're on the other side now. So this is really, an exciting time. So how do patients feel after they have a facelift?
So most of the patients find that they were unduly concerned about the recovery after a facelift.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the commonest misconception that it's going to be painful.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, it's the other way around. Rather than painful, they feel more numb on the face. So pain is not a main issue at all.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, after the next day after your surgery, we bring you back to remove the bandage or the dressing, and immediately you can see the changes on your face. There isn't much bruise following a deep plane facelift because again the stress is not on your skin. So all in all, you don't have a very swollen or very bruised appearance at all. What you have is a subtle swelling which is deep to the layer of your lift, and you will feel numb for quite some time.
Mm-hmm.
Later on, once your face has healed up, people immediately recognize how much their face feels in sync with their mental image of themselves.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's still their face, you still look the way you are, but you look much more energetic, you look much refreshed, you look natural. Your face is in sync with the mental image you had in your mind. And the only long-term issue left for a few weeks to a few months is the numbness in certain part of the face and neck.
Mm-hmm.
Rest all of the concerns, immediate concerns after a facelift practically fade away within the first 2 weeks.
Oh wow! I didn't realize it was so quick, actually. So it sounds like you feel relieved to get yourself back somehow.
Yes.
And going through the process, then you come out the other side and you can actually see the result fairly quickly, even though there is more healing to do.
Absolutely. I said the next day, once we remove the bandage, in most people you can see the impact of having the deep plane facelift. It is quite apparent even within 48 hours of surgery.
Wow.
And that continues to get better as the underlying swelling resolves, as the scar tissue continues to remodel over the next few weeks to few months. So things continue to get more streamlined over the next few weeks, but even within the first 48 hours, you will see a physical impact of the surgery, and you will feel much more happier about it. There is a mental impact of having general anesthesia, so most people will feel a bit groggy, they might feel slightly nauseous, but again, all of that settles down within the first few days. So overall, the recovery from a major surgery such as a deep plane facelift is less onerous than what most people have in their mind.
Hi, we've got something fun for you. We have a quiz below that will help you to understand whether deep plane facelift or other techniques surrounding the face might be right for you. So take a moment, have some fun, and take the quiz below.